I want to tell you about some affordable living. Hey Facebook fam, Tami Goodwin here, and I want to come and tell you about some affordable living that's coming to you if you want to live in Decatur, Georgia. It is in the Belvedere area of Decatur. It's off of Covington Highway. It's 5 minutes away from Avondale. It is about 15 minutes away from Emory University, 15 minutes away from Emory Hospital, 8 minutes away from DeKalb Farmers Market. It is very close to lots of restaurants, to lots of shopping all over the place. So it is going to be absolutely amazing. It is a condo conversion. We're converting some apartments to condominiums. We are doing at least $50,000 worth of renovations in each unit. We're gonna have 1 bedroom, 1 bath units. We're gonna have 1 bedroom, 1 bath with a sitting room. We're gonna have 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So we're gonna have 3 different kinds of units in this structure. The bathroom showers will be tiled. The flooring will be LVP. You're either gonna have a 5-foot island or a 6-foot island in your location. They're gonna have shaker cabinets. They're either gonna be blue, gray, or white. Your island is gonna either be blue, black, or white. You're gonna have lots and lots and lots of things to look at. They're gonna be 216. It's going to be granite and quartz countertops. We're gonna have stainless steel appliances. We are going to have a dog park. We're gonna have a sustainable garden. And so there's some other amenities that we're looking at putting into place. So it's going to be nice, 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 nice. Did y'all hear me when I said affordable living? So I know you're probably thinking, what's affordable living? Well, let me tell you. This is in Decatur. And when I tell you what the price is, you're not gonna believe it. The price is in the high 100s, the high 100, okay? And I know y'all thinking, no way. Yes way. It's gonna be great when we open it up because we want you to come, we want you to see, we want you to see our vision, we want to see what we're doing over here in Decatur. It's gonna be great. So I hope you guys give me a call to find out about this property because we definitely want to let you know what's going on. My number is 678-754-3239. Tell people about residences on Covington because it's coming. So I hope to see you guys there. Love you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it.
I am going to reveal. Okay guys, I am going to reveal a little something that I and my partner have been working on. So I'm Erica Page, and you know my partner Tami Goodwin and I, we are like the bosses in real estate in the Atlanta area. And we have a big project that we're working on. I'm here at the site. I'm ready to show you guys the exterior and the work that we have done already in this affordable living community. So I know that right now it doesn't look like much, right? Very unappealing, but there is something magical happening here. Soon and very soon, this apartment complex will be completely converted. And when I say affordable living, I mean high 100,000s. Yep, that's right. You heard me correctly. So these units will all be converted beautifully, by the way, and they will start in the high 100,000s, $100,000, and you can be an owner. And I mean, I am calling all of my investors, first-time home buyers, but I'm also calling my people that are looking to downsize, someone looking for a vacation home or a drop spot here in Atlanta. I'm telling you, this is a great location. Okay, so I hope that by now I have whet your appetite. And you are probably asking yourself, like, okay, how do I get down, Erica? What do I need to do? Well, message me, man. Hit me up. Contact me. Call Tami. Call our office, 855-404-SOLD, or DM me, DM Tami. Hit up our assistants. You don't want to miss this opportunity.